Do you have a website? Do you want to have a website, but not sure how to add stuff to it? Do you know that there are applications that can turn you into a website guru? These applications are called Web Content Management Systems, or WCM for short. There are hundreds of web content management applications, but it's important to pick the right solution for your needs. This is web content management made simple. Typically, websites are set up on web servers by people who are familiar with coding languages like HTML, PHP, ColdFusion, or .NET. You can leverage people with this technical skill set to get your website up and running. People can now come to your website, learn about what you do, interact, and maybe even purchase a product or two. But the information that they're consuming is quickly becoming out of date. But what can you do? Meet Tom. Tom is the marketing guru at his company. He knows all the ins and outs of marketing, but he really isn't that technical. Tom needs to fix a typo on his website. He could call or email his web guy, but he usually doesn't pick up the phone and tends to be busy doing other web stuff. Making a small spelling fix isn't at the top of his priority list, and it doesn't really pay his bills. If Tom had a web content management system, he could make the fix himself. Tom could open a browser, log into his site, browse to the page that has the typo, edit it, and publish it back to the site. Tom doesn't know HTML, but that's okay because his CMS includes a what you see is what you get or WYSIWYG editor. A WYSIWYG editor makes editing a web page as easy as creating a Word document or writing an email. Tom can even add photos and links to the page as well. Now that Tom's website is updated, his visitors are happy, but more importantly, Tom is happy. Web content management systems come in two different flavors, online and offline. Offline systems require you to make changes to your static pages on your local machine and then FTP those files to your server. This requires some technical knowledge, it isn't scalable, and it really chains you down. An online CMS, like the one that Tom wants, is completely browser-based and managed by a database that stores and displays information on your site. An online CMS lets anyone, from anywhere, at any time, make changes to their website. A CMS typically can do more than just help you manage your web content. Some have advanced management functionality like permissions,